In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Instagram login problem. So if you're not being able to log into Instagram, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, you should be able to log into your account. Likewise, make sure to enter the correct credentials. If you have forgotten your password, go ahead and recover your password and you should be able to log in to your account. If you're not being able to log in, there might be some bugs in the application. So in that case, what you have to do is update the app. For that, launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is simply search for Instagram. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find this application for Instagram and tap on it. Now tap on this option update that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while and the application will be updated. After the app is updated, try logging into your account and your problem should be solved. But sometimes the problem might be caused because of the cache of the app. In that case, what you have to do is clear the cache. For that, launch open app library of your device. Find this application for Instagram and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now over here you can see various options. Find this option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now over here you can see two options, clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache that you can see on the screen. Now once the cache has been cleared, your problem will be solved. If not, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After you do that, try logging into your account and your problem should be solved. But sometimes the problem might be with the device itself. In that case, what you can do is simply restart your device in order to fix the temporary software glitches. So what you have to do is simply long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and your device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem should be solved. So that is how you fix Instagram login problem. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.